Today's tutorial video is taking a look at Baddha Konasana A and B, wonderful hip opening postures in the primary series of Ashtanga Yoga. For the full expression, your knees rest down onto the floor. You're gonna grab your inner feet with your thumbs. Inhale, lengthen out of your back. Exhale, bring your stomach, then your chest, then your chin to the floor and take 5 deep breaths. You're pressing your arms into your legs. Inhale, sit up, and we're moving right into Baddha Konasana B. On your exhale, you're gonna round your lower back, scoop out your stomach, and try to bring your forehead to your toes. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, take your vinyasa. So now let's break down this pose. This is gonna be a great pose to help you open those hip flexors, but it's not gonna come super quick. You've gotta go slowly, and you've gotta be mindful, because if you put too much pressure, you could really hurt the tendon. So from this position, if your legs are hiked up pretty high, inhale, rip your feet with your hands. Pull your elbows backward. That's gonna help lift your torso up and shift your weight slightly forward. And as you exhale, no rounding here. Even if you can't fold very far, just lean forward with a flat back and try to keep your chest lifted. Try to keep squeezing your shoulder blades, and you're gonna feel that stretch in your psoas. We'll take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. Coming into Baddha Konasana B. Same thing, if those legs are hiked up, nice deep inhale, lengthen. Exhale, round your back and try to round your forehead towards your toes. It's okay if you're not going very far in this pose. Just be patient and keep practicing. With every inhale, try to really scoop out of your lower stomach. And with every exhale, really try to pull your torso towards your toes. After your 5th breath, inhale to lengthen, exhale to release in vinyasa. I hope you enjoyed looking at both a modification and full expression of Baddha Konasana A and B. You might find your body somewhere anywhere between here and all the way onto the floor. And I just want you to work on practicing. Always focus on engaging Mula Bandha, squeezing that pelvic floor with each and every inhale. Feel your throat pull back as you exhale from your throat through your nose, and you should feel Uddiyana Bandha, or your navel lock, engaging. Make sure, especially when you're doing poses that are really challenging for you, that feel really tight in your body, that you're constantly engaging your bandhas to protect those muscles. Thank you so much for joining us today. Ashtanga is so powerful for so many reasons, but one of the reasons I love it so much is because it really just requires that you be accountable for showing up and doing the practice. You have a set sequence of postures to work through, a dedicated focus on breathing and active engagement of certain internal muscles in your body. And when you combine all of those together, you create a beautiful moving meditation that gives you strength and flexibility, agility, stamina, body control, the kind of weight and size that you want your body to look like. It's just a powerful, all-around, full-body practice. If you live locally here in Orlando, I have Mysore classes every weekday, Monday through Friday from 7 to 8:30, and Monday evenings from 5:30 to 7. But if you don't live here, you can also join those classes virtually, as I'm now offering all of my yoga classes online. So head over to theyogashalla.org to check out the class schedule And if you'd like to jump into a class with me, I'd love to have you. It is ideal to do your yoga practice in a classroom setting under the guidance of a teacher, but if that isn't an option for you, there is nothing better than developing a home-based yoga practice. These videos are here to help you do that. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. And I really encourage you to check out the playlists on this channel, especially the yoga tutorials playlist. This channel is truly dedicated to giving you tools to build up a home-based yoga practice. So be sure to check out those tutorial videos. And if you have not already, please do subscribe, click that notification bell. And if you enjoy today's content, always appreciate a like. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Fit Transformer, powered by Sportneer, is the ultimate all-in-one home gym, providing a full body workout experience. With its modular design, Fit Transformer allows users to seamlessly switch between 3 training modes: strength, skiing, and rowing. This enables them to achieve 4 training effects, including aerobic fitness, strength, high-intensity interval training, and explosive power. With its innovative modular design, Fit Transformer offers customizable fitness solutions. Featuring a shared core drive module and various accessories, this design provides endless workout possibilities while saving space without compromising functionality. Whether you're focusing on rowing or switching to strength or skiing mode, all you need to do is move the modular unit and insert it into the desired machine. Fit Transformer offers 3 distinct modes: strength, skiing, and rowing, allowing you to diversify your workout routine. The machine seamlessly transitions between strength and skiing modes with a simple button press, taking just 15 seconds to switch between modes. Fit Transformer's rowing module offers 3 resistance profiles: air, water, and magnetic, making this an all-in-one machine. The Fit Transformer is an incredibly well-designed and well-built machine. It is extremely durable and incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a space-saving machine that provides incredible versatility for your workouts, definitely check out the Fit Transformer. There's a link in the description box below for you to explore the Fit Transformer and see how it can enhance your workout routine.